Abdominal. Abdominal means related to the stomach area or belly, the part of your body between your chest and hips. I had an abdominal cramp after running. She showed her abdominal muscles proudly. After doing 20 sit-ups, he felt a strong burn in his abdominal muscles, which meant they were working hard. The doctor explained that the pain was coming from the abdominal area and not from the chest. Belly, the front part of your body below your chest. Stomach, the part inside your body where food goes. Core, the middle part of your body, including stomach muscles. Other similar words: tummy, midsection, gut. Cranial, related to the head or skull. Thoracic, related to the chest area. Leg, lower part of the body. Other opposite words: shoulder, neck, feet.